100 million Americans suffer from chronic insomnia, severely impacting how they function on a daily basis. It can also lead to mental health issues, anxiety, obesity, depression. But what if I told you that you could instead incorporate a simple, non-invasive headset into your nightly routine and actually get the valuable sleep you deserve?
Neurovalens is a team of compassionate people that care. They want to make a difference for humanity, and they certainly are.
I was severely overweight. I get really emotional. 5 years later, still very emotional. I had to go to the doctor, and the doctor had said, your blood pressure is like skyrocket.
My clients all have unique goals, and it seems like all of them, it came down to sleep issues. When I researched it, I found this non-invasive method to tackle insomnia and sleep issues. And thank goodness I did, because it's changed a lot of lives.
Started my journey, started on a Modius headset and helped me start sleeping.
The device is an apparatus that you can wear for up to 30 minutes every day that really puts you in a state of bliss.
The minute you put that thing on, you're swaying or whatever, and that was like my time to just relax.
Oh my goodness, I use it myself, yes, religiously. Because we all have our own unique sleep problems. And this is such a safe, wonderful alternative to ways that people have been trying to tackle their sleep issues.
It's something that I definitely will use forever, because I know how much it really does help. My life has improved. I would never go back.
Bree's goals were to lose weight, but the plethora of clients that I have, all of them have had great success by tackling their sleep. There's a lot of people too that just want to live a healthier lifestyle, and that all stems from sleep and from addressing the sleep issues.
Now we can go out and do stuff as a family. I'm not just sitting at home because I have no energy, because I didn't get any sleep. So it's changed a lot.
So there's no bad that comes from this device. There's only positivity and really great opportunity for you to improve your lifestyle.
This is a groundbreaking FDA-cleared treatment that is literally changing lives. It was developed by Dr. McKeown, the CEO of Neurovalens. He's here to tell us about how it all began and where it's going now. So thank you for being here.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very exciting technology.
Yeah, no, I'd say it goes right back to when I was working as a doctor in the UK. So, I was concerned that my patients were relying more and more on sleeping pills and sedatives. Truth be told, patients really don't want to take more sleeping pills. Doctors certainly don't want to prescribe them. So that's why we created Modius Sleep.
Do you know what stages of sleep it's primarily affecting? And can you look as people's sleep cycling, what you're targeting?
Yeah, so our main study that we achieved FDA clearance through focused more on the elements of sleep that a patient experiences. So overall insomnia we improved, but also we were able to improve sleep quality. We can reduce sleep latency, which is the time that it takes you to fall asleep. And all of this combined gives patients a very significant improvement in their sense of how well rested they are and even their overall wellness.
Was it tough to get the FDA approval?
Yeah, I think a lot of devices claim to impact sleep, but Modius Sleep is the first and only FDA cleared prescribed treatment for chronic insomnia. And really that should just give doctors and patients confidence that Modius Sleep is safe and effective and can be prescribed to treat chronic insomnia.
And because it's a prescription drug, what if a patient's doctor doesn't know about it? What should they do?
Yeah, so if a patient wants to purchase Modius Sleep, it's very easy to do so on our website, and we can actually issue a prescription as well.
Okay.
But it's important to know that there are criteria that you have to meet before a prescription can be issued. So the easiest way to find out if Modius Sleep is right for you is to go onto our company website and do our free assessment on neurovalens.com.
And is that strictly an assessment of sleep?
Yeah.
And insomnia? Is there an anxiety component too, or is that coming later?
Yeah, that's something that's coming
in
later.
the future.
Yeah. So at this stage, we basically assess your general health, I suppose, but then we really dive deep into what problems people are experiencing with their sleep, and that we can then issue you a prescription through our website.
I think a lot about health and nutrition, and I think people understand what the basics are of health and nutrition, but in order for those things to work optimally, sleep is something they have to attend to. I mean, sleep will raise your cortisol levels, increase your fat distribution, impair your ability to build muscle. So give them a little primer on how important sleep is for overall health and wellness too.
Yeah, I totally agree with this. So many of my patients come and ask me, well, how can I improve my fitness? How can I improve my diet? And I
Weight loss? Although I know you don't have that indication, but I think about that for people.
Yeah, so I always highlight that actually the first thing they should look at is their sleep. And until now, it's been a bit of a conundrum, because how do you improve your sleep if the only option is sleeping pills or sedatives? So it's almost this catch-22. We know that sleep needs to be improved, but unfortunately there's just no good option.
Yeah.
Whereas now, because Modius Sleep is now FDA cleared as a treatment that can actually sit in that space and really allow patients to focus on their sleep primarily.
Yeah, we've overlooked sleep way too long. And probably because we haven't had any options, but now we do. In mental health, we always say hungry, angry, lonely, tired.
Yes.
But the tired is sleep. We got to pay attention to sleep.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for the work. It is a non-invasive, FDA-cleared treatment. The Modius Sleep seems to be an incredible solution for insomnia. To find out more about the Modius Sleep or to complete an online evaluation, visit Neurovalens, NEUROVALENS.com, and we'll be right back.